Now, Storm Watch 12 weather with meteorologist Josh Culbreath.
We saw some very dangerous surf overnight. One buoy that is 15 nautical miles to the west of Port Orford saw wave heights getting up to 36 feet overnight. That was around 11 p.m. They have since descended since then, but we could still see those breaking waves anywhere between 30 to 37 feet until 2 a.m. on Tuesday. That's why we have this high surf warning in effect for coastal Curry County. Now, looking at the radar across the rest of the region, it definitely looks a lot different than it looked at this time yesterday. Just some sporadic showers in Siskiyou County, getting into Jackson, Josephine, and Curry counties. Very light showers at the moment, and Stormcast is showing you that we'll expect another round of showers, maybe a little bit more widespread than what we're seeing right now as we head into the evening, and then this will continue to move off towards the east. But the next big rain event will come on Tuesday. This is overnight tonight into Tuesday morning, and we're going to see another atmospheric river, not nearly as potent as the one we saw on Sunday, but still a decent amount of rain. And Stormcast rainfall is showing you that in addition to the rain that we've already had fall over the next 48 hours, we could see around an additional ½ inch near the Mount Shasta City area. And then along the coast, we could have another 3 inches fall. Now, once again, this is important to note. This is just a model interpretation. So this is definitely subject to change. So don't just take it at face value. Now, snow levels over the next 48 hours, they're going to hover around 5,500 feet, at least for the next 24 hours. Then they'll eventually rise up to 8,000 feet by the time we get into Tuesday night going into Wednesday mornings. But we could have some pretty decent accumulations, especially in the peaks of Siskiyou County and the peaks of Lake County, where we could have upwards of a foot of snow. We could also have upwards of a foot of snow along the peaks of the Cascades in Klamath County. But again, just like with Stormcast rainfall, this is just a model interpretation. So today along the coast, we'll be in the 50s. You've seen those very gray skies along Gold Beach from that Jerry's Rogue Jets camera. 50s today, gusty winds, not nearly as gusty as they were yesterday, only getting up to 35 miles per hour today. We had wind gusts upwards of 75 miles per hour yesterday near Port Orford in Siskiyou County. Just some spotty showers, also breezy conditions getting up to 25 miles per hour in the Klamath Basin. A very cool day, maybe seeing some sun peek through here and there, but for the most part, gray skies, also breezy conditions gusting up to 25 miles per hour. In the mountains, we can see some snow in Crater Lake. You saw those snow levels. The high temperature today is only 28 degrees. So if you plan on going to the national park today, definitely bundle up. And then in the Rogue Valley, the winds finally calmed down. Another cool day as we will be in the 50s. So here is your 7-day forecast along the coast. Rain likely for the next few days. It looks like we finally begin to clear out towards the weekend, and it's looking like maybe we'll even be dry for Halloween. That's great news for trick-or-treaters, of course. And then in Northern California, just a chance of showers today. We have that atmospheric river flowing in overnight into Tuesday, so the big rain day is looking like it's going to be on Tuesday, and then rain chances will back off towards the end of the week. Staying cool, though. We're going to be in the 50s and 60s throughout the rest of the week. Then in the Klamath Basin, we'll see snow levels drop overnight to around 5,500 feet, but it's looking like most of the snow is going to be up in the Cascades. And then once again, it's looking like we're going to dry out towards the end of the week. Maybe another little impulse coming through on Friday as we have a slight chance of showers then. But for the most part, the end of the week looks to be fairly dry, much drier than what we saw this past weekend in the mountains. Rain and snow likely as we head into Monday and Tuesday. And then just leftover showers today. Better rain chances on Tuesday, drying out and warming up just a little bit towards the end of the week.
And I've heard this term a lot, and I'm sure people have too, just looking at the weather across the West Coast. What is a bomb cyclone?
So a bomb cyclone, the definition of it is, okay, so every single low pressure system, of course, has a minimum pressure that is measured in millibars. So standard atmospheric pressure is 1013.25 millibars. I'm really getting deep in the weeds here, but if a low pressure system drops rapidly, 24 millibars in 24 hours, that means that the system is really intensifying. So that is the definition for a bomb cyclone.
Okay, so probably not something the average person would understand, but it's just a...
Just know it's a storm system that intensifies at a very rapid pace.
Okay.
That's probably what I should have said.
It's okay. No.
Yeah.
I mean, obviously you know what you're talking about because I didn't even know what a millibar was until today. So.
Well, the more you know.
Yeah, thank you. I appreciate it. Thanks, Josh.